Hello viewers, welcome to our channel. This is Techie Garden, Placement Opportunities and much more. We will be uploading few series of videos about a topic in depth. Out of that, the first will be machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence. Machine learning is nothing but developing a model which is intelligent by itself. So this is done by getting some data, some set of data and feeding them to our machine or computer and let our machine learn from the data. Let's see how this works. You want to buy a land or an apartment and you are inquiring about the same to the seller. They say the cost of 200 square feet land will be 2 lakh rupees and for 400 square feet it will be 4 lakh rupees. Consider this is our first set of data. We feed this data to our machine to build a model. Now we have our own intelligent model. Let's see if it is really intelligent by asking a question. Now let's ask for the cost of 600 square feet. The machine is going to tell us. Can you guess? Yes, 6 lakh rupees. Wow, that's really an intelligent model as per the data we fed the model, right? Yes, it is as simple as that. Predicting output based on the data fed to the intelligence model is called machine learning. Hope you would have got the basic of machine learning. There are three types of machine learning. We will see that now. One is labeled data, second is unlabeled data, the last is continuous learning. For labeled data, we should have the data for which we need the prediction. In this case, we are going to predict the price of the land or apartment. For this, the machine or the model should already know the price and the square feet data, right? Now, when we have to predict something based on the data that we feed, that is called labeled data learning. So, second one is unlabeled data learning. Say for instance, we are grouping all the lands or apartments under 300 square feet to a group and above 300 square feet to another group. This type of grouping can be done using unlabeled data. For grouping this, we don't need any type of label data, only unlabeled data should be good enough. This type of learning is called unlabeled data learning. So the third one will be continuous learning. In this case, learning is continuous. This minimizes past mistakes and learn from those errors or mistakes. By doing this, percentage of error or number of errors will be reduced and we will be getting accurate data, that is data accuracy, as the learning continues. This learning have the ability to learn from past mistakes and minimize errors over time. So there are three types of machine learning, that is supervised learning, unsupervised learning and reinforcement learning. What is supervised learning? We develop a model with labeled data. With that, it will predict an output based on the input. Say for example, for 200 square feet land, we said it will cost 2 lakh rupees, and for 400 square feet land, it will be 4 lakh rupees. And we did not calculate the cost for 600 square feet. Predicting output using a labeled data is called supervised learning. In this case, we asked machine for the price of 600 square feet land and it gave us the price of 6 lakh rupees. How did we get the data? Based on the input that we fed by the prediction algorithm that it has. The examples are linear regression, k nearest neighbors, naive Bayes, support vector machines and decision trees. You will see everything in detail in next videos. Next one is unsupervised learning, that is unlabeled data learning. No need of any parameters such as price or square feet for this, because it doesn't do any prediction at all. If we say to group all lands below 300 square feet to a group and above 300 square feet to another group, it will group accordingly, right? For example, in Amazon.in, if you are searching to buy a mixer grinder, can you guess the number of results it will give? Can you guess how it works? Exactly, it works on grouping the unlabeled data. So it just picks one thing in common, that is mixer grinder, and then it groups accordingly. For this, we don't need any kind of label information to it. Have you ever seen Google Ads suggestions from the websites that you visit? That will give you suggestions based on your recent search history. This is called predictions. As I said earlier, supervised learning only does the prediction. Next one is reinforcement learning. For in this case, if we take an example of a self-drive car, if we take the popular example that is in market right now, which is Tesla, this is a fully automatic car, as you all know. When you are on a self-drive mode with your Tesla, on day one to your drive to your work was smooth and fine, and it doesn't face any issues. On day two, if there is a bicycle crossing in road or going in front of your car, it doesn't know what to do at this instance. And if you brake, and then it will learn from that. If a bicycle crosses or detected in front of the car, it has to stop now. From next day, car will stop for bicycle. That was considered as an error, and in next iteration it will correct the error and act accordingly. This is a continuous learning and learning from past mistakes. Hope you are clear about the concepts of machine learning. Let us revisit whatever we learned today. First one is label data that we use for supervised learning for prediction. Second one is unsupervised learning that is used only for grouping. And third one is reinforcement learning that is for continuous learning and to minimize errors. Hope you liked the video. We will see all three of this in our next videos. Hope you liked our video. If you liked it, kindly press like button, and if you're new to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you.